Welcome to the world of hyperbolic functions. We're going to evaluate these two functions. So first, let's look at the hyperbolic cosecant of 3. So to do this, everything just like the unit circle and your trig functions, everything's basically based off sine and cosine. So cosecant we know is a reciprocal of sine. So the hyperbolic cosecant is also the reciprocal of the hyperbolic sine. So sine is defined, the hyperbolic sine is defined as e to the x minus e to the negative x over 2. So in this case, x is 3. So the hyperbolic sine of 3, I should have a little x here, of 3 is e to the 3 minus e to the negative 3 over 2. That's it. So therefore, the hyperbolic cosecant is the reciprocal of this. And I'm going to look at that in the calculator in a second, get a decimal approximation. But let's go over this to the hyperbolic tangent of 1. So tangent is sine over cosine. So the hyperbolic tangent is hyperbolic sine over the hyperbolic cosine. So as we said, hyperbolic sine would be e to the first minus e to the negative first all over 2. And the hyperbolic cosine of 1, it's the same as the sine except we have a plus here. So that's going to be e to the first plus e to the negative first over 2. So tangent would be the hyperbolic sine over the hyperbolic cosine, or just multiplied by the reciprocal of the hyperbolic cosine. And there we go. I'm going to cancel all the 2's. I have e minus 1 over e over e plus 1 over e. I'm going to multiply everything by e. And that looks like it. So quickly on the calculator. I'm going to go back to this hyperbolic cosecant. I'm going to type 2 over e to the third, and then minus e to the negative third. And I'm going to show you how to do this directly. Find the hyperbolic cosecant or hyperbolic functions directly on the calculator in a second after I do this. So e to the negative 3. So this is approximately equal to 0.0998. So I can also find the hyperbolic sine on my calculator. Now that you're going to have to go to the catalog. So let's clear this, go to the catalog, second 0. I know I'm looking for the hyperbolic sine, so I'm going to go to the s's. So that s is above the ln. I'll just hit s. Now I'm at all the s's. I'll scroll down to find the hyperbolic sine, and it shouldn't take too long. There it is. And then I'm going to type in 3. So the hyperbolic sine of 3 is that. And then I'm going to get the hyperbolic cosecant, just like regular trig, I'm going to take the reciprocal of that answer. So I'll just type x to the negative first. And it's 0.0998. So that's a good check. I'm going to do the same thing with tangent. Let's find hyperbolic tangent. Second catalog. And now I'm going to find the T key. The T key is above the number 4. So hyperbolic tangent is right here. And we're doing at 1. So it's about 0.76. Let's just make sure. E squared minus 1. Here's our answer. E squared minus 1 over E squared plus 1. Hopefully that's 0.761594. It is. And that's it. So that's simple calculations of hyperbolic functions on your calculator.